Hello everyone, welcome to Concept Cracker. We are here with a new video of our Cracking Java course. Here we will discuss about the basics of algorithms and also have an insight about flowcharts. So let's start. At first, let's speak about algorithms. So what algorithms basically are? Algorithms are a step-by-step procedure that defines how a set of instructions are executed in a specific order to produce a desired result. The only thing to keep in mind is that the order is important. For example, if we want to solve a problem, as shown in your screen, 3 multiplied by 4 in brackets plus 12 minus 5. Now, by using the basic principles of mathematics, we can give its answer as 19. Guess what? We already used algorithms. Let's see how. Now, as stated earlier, we said algorithms are a set of instructions executed in a specific order. In the same manner, first we started to find the solution. Next, we multiplied 3 and 4 to get a result 12 as according to Bodmer's rule. Then we opened the brackets. Next, we add 12 and 12 to get 24. Then we subtract 5 from 12 to get the answer. And boom, here's the end of our algorithm. That was pretty easy, right? Now we have the basic working flow of our computers that we all pretty much know. First we have the input processes, then we have the processing unit which takes place inside the computer, and then the output processes. In this course we will focus on the input processes as the other two are not in our hand and can be controlled only by the computer. But for understanding the output, we need to understand the processing part as well. Now, let's talk about flowcharts. So, what flowcharts are? Flowcharts are basically a diagrammatic representation of our algorithm. So, why do we require them? Flowcharts build a logical approach of our problem, and thus it creates a clear picture about the processes that we are going to follow in solving the problem. Now, let's have a look at some flowchart symbols. First, we have the start box. As its name suggests, it helps to start the flowchart. Then we have the input-output box, which helps in taking the input and displaying the output of the operation performed. Then we have the decision box. A decision box is used to make a decision, as its name suggests, but here it only returns Boolean values like true or false. Then we have the process box that helps to show the operation to be performed. Then comes the connector, which connects or joins flowcharts. Then comes the annotation, which provides additional information like comments to our flowchart. Then comes the end box, which denotes the end of the flowchart. It is pretty similar to the start box. Now, for better understanding, let's see how flowchart works. At first, we start the flowchart, then we take the input or read the input from the user. Then we process the components. Then we go for the decision making. As stated earlier, decision making can return only two values, yes or no. For yes, we return our output, and for no, we return our output. Then we end the flowchart. Now, after getting the basic knowledge about flowchart, let's discuss simple interest using flowchart as an example. Here, first we start the flowchart, then as an input we read principal, rate and time. Then for processing, we use the formula for calculating the simple interest. S equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. Then we return simple interest or print the simple interest. And then we end our flowchart. That takes us to the end of the video. In the next lecture, we will brush up our knowledge with some questions on flowcharts and algorithms. Thanks for watching.